In this video, learn how to deploy machine learning models using Google Vertex AI, gaining skills in model deployment workflows in a cloud environment.
Welcome to our video on deploying models using Google Vertex AI. Did you know that deploying a model on the cloud can enhance its scalability and performance significantly? Today, we'll explore this process step by step, making it easier for you to streamline your workflows and optimize your model's performance. Stay tuned as we delve into setting up your environment, uploading your model, and more. Engage in the comments and let's make this a learning journey together.
Before diving into deploying your model, it's crucial to set up your environment correctly. Start by installing the Google Cloud SDK, which will allow you to interact with Google's cloud services. Next, enable the Vertex AI API on your Google Cloud Console. Don't forget to authenticate your setup using the CloudAuth login command. Create a new project where your models will reside, ensuring that you've configured your environment variables properly. These steps lay the groundwork for a smooth deployment process, so take the time to get them right. Once your environment is set, it's time to upload your trained model to Google Cloud. Begin by exporting your model into a format compatible with Vertex AI, such as TensorFlow Saved Model. Utilize Google Cloud Storage to store your model files securely. Create a bucket and upload the model files, maintaining an organized structure. Ensure that all necessary files are included and verify the upload success through the Google Cloud Console. This step is crucial for making your model accessible to Vertex AI for deployment. Configuring your deployment settings is a vital step in ensuring your model runs efficiently. Select appropriate machine types based on your model's requirements to optimize performance and cost. Configure deployment settings such as traffic splitting and endpoint setup. Pay attention to resource allocation to prevent over- or underutilization of resources. Set up auto-scaling to handle varying loads effectively. Before finalizing, review the projected costs to ensure they align with your budget. Proper configuration can vastly improve your model's efficiency and responsiveness. After deployment, continuous monitoring is essential to maintain optimal performance. Utilize Google's monitoring tools to track your model's performance metrics such as latency and throughput. Set up alerts and notifications to stay informed about any anomalies or performance drops. Use monitoring dashboards to visualize data and identify potential bottlenecks. Regularly analyze this data to implement necessary performance improvements, ensuring your model remains efficient and effective in real-world scenarios.
Integrating your deployment with C/CD pipelines can significantly streamline your workflow. Understand the basics of continuous integration and continuous deployment and how they apply to machine learning models. Integrate Vertex AI into your existing pipeline to automate tasks such as model retraining and deployment. Ensure thorough testing of the integration to avoid disruptions. Maintain continuous updates to your models as new data and improvements arise, enhancing your model's performance and reliability over time.
Vertex AI offers robust auto-scaling features that adjust resources based on demand. Enable auto-scaling to handle fluctuating traffic efficiently. Set appropriate scaling policies that define when and how resources should be adjusted. Monitor the efficiency of these policies and make necessary adjustments. Adapt to traffic changes seamlessly, ensuring your model performs optimally under varying loads. Optimizing resource utilization not only improves performance but also controls costs, ensuring your deployment is both effective and economical. Security and efficiency should be at the forefront of any deployment. Ensure data security by implementing encryption and secure access controls. Use secure authentication methods to protect your models and data. Implement logging and auditing to track access and modifications. Regularly update your security protocols to address new vulnerabilities. Optimize deployment efficiency by minimizing resource wastage and improving response times. Following these best practices will ensure your deployments remain secure, reliable, and efficient. In conclusion, mastering model deployment on Google Vertex AI involves a series of well-coordinated steps from setting up your environment to leveraging advanced features like auto-scaling. The benefits of using Vertex AI include enhanced performance, scalability, and integration capabilities. We encourage you to practice these steps and explore the platform further to enhance your skills. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and machine learning.